guys, what's up? How are your Tuesday mornings? Have you had your coffee? Let me just drink mine. This is Mindy and today we are going to talk about some magic. Mug reference. I talk about tech and films here, so if you haven't subscribed, why wait? Just click here. Today is the story of my magic keyboard joining my tech family. Can we have a warm welcome, please? I'm sure many of you techies have seen this, but I thought it was relevant to talk about it because no one seems to be talking about why this was still relevant when you have such a beautiful MacBook keyboard. Why is this even relevant? Why? Recently, I redid my room and my desk, and I have been so obsessed over creating the best looking desk. The most aesthetic looking desk. Alright, enough shaming. The idea was to create a very beautiful desk setup. I spent forever thinking about what kind of desk setup should I get, and the key aims was to create a space that motivates me to work creatively and to ensure a good posture because I have had this neck problem, this neck pain for forever. So if you guys have any recommendations of a fix, please let me know in the comments below. Okay, have I lost you guys? Wait, just stay. All you gotta do is stay a minute, just take your and magically it's gonna appear. This is where the freaking magic happens. Now I'm gonna unbox the magic keyboard. I really can't wait to use them. And I'm just saying, hi Caesars. We're back to using the scissors to unbox because I didn't really invest in a knife or a pen knife. I don't really like pen knives. It's just not me. But I want to cut it, but like I'm so afraid that I would hurt the box. Okay. I'm just trying to make like, ooh, okay, see, like there's like a scar. The box is scarred. You know, the thing I love about Apple's packaging is, oh, the scars! Can you see? You want to see magic? Okay, let's do this. Wow! So there's this sheet of paper. You can see here. Just pull it out. Because I have a very weird setup, so I can't like have double cameras and stuff. So there isn't like a flat lay. I'm just ooh, okay. Oh, guess what's in the box? This. They should have given me USB-C, but no, it's just a normal USB to a lightning cable. So yeah, but I have the adapters for like my phone, so it's fine. Okay. Oh, look at this! Hi! I'm so excited to use this. The reason why I'm actually getting this is because my Mac tends to heat up so much when I'm actually editing or like doing heavy processing stuff on the Mac. So when it heats up, it annoys me when I'm like typing or using the keyboard. So I was struggling so much thinking about whether I should spend $100+ or just get the keyboard. And oops, because I already have a mouse, a monitor, and I would miss my touch bar so much. Like, I love my MacBook Pro's touch bar. I know people say it's useless, but I like it. I like it because number one, you get the skip ads. You get the skip ads on Safari, and there's like so many more functions with it. And even Photoshop, even though I don't really use the shortcuts on the touch bar in Photoshop, but it's nice to see things change. I mean, I just like the touch bar. Can I just like the touch bar? Oh, did you hear that? Did you hear that? Oh, listen. Oh, it smells so new. And it's so light. I know many of you guys have seen an unboxing of this, but like this is my first my first baby. But it's white though. Oh, and it's like a little dirty. No, I think it's just, is it dirty? So I got the one without the number pad. It's just like, it's short and clean and lightweight and small. Oh wow, it's glass. You know, I love Apple design. It's like, it's just so pretty. So back to my story. The reason why I got this shorter one without the number pad is because my mom said it was bad for my posture, and like, I don't know why. So probably her reasoning is this thing would be too long and I will be using my mouth, and probably somehow it's just bad for my posture. But she may not be a professional, but she's my mom, so I'm being a good kid and I'm gonna listen to her. And yeah, that's why I got this version. That's why I got this version instead of the longer matte black version, which I think would look so good with my desk setup. And it looks so beautiful. Like, I've seen so many YouTubers having it, and I'm just like, I know she means well, so yeah, I'm just gonna listen to her so that I wouldn't have to be hearing her saying, oh, I told you so, when I get my neck problem, when my neck problem comes to haunt me again. So in case you guys haven't seen the keyboard, look at this, okay? There is this beautiful glass back, and so guys, how will my setup look right now? I will probably continue using my MacBook Pro's keyboard as well as this, because I just can't live without my MacBook Pro's trackpad. I love the gestures, I love how easy and seamless things are with all the gestures on the Mac, and that's one of the key reasons why I love Mac, because it's so easy, so simple, so convenient, it's like so intuitive. So yeah, I can't live without my trackpad. No. Unless I get the magic trackpad, which is gonna be no, I'm not gonna get a magic trackpad. So the verdict is, I love this setup right now, and also because I cleared my desk for this, and the desk is looking pretty clean now, and that's why I love this setup right now. Oh, and I just want to say, I bought something online. Okay, that's not news, but I bought this tech from a Kickstarter, and it's supposed to arrive soon, by the end of this month, so I will do an unboxing of that, so stay tuned. End card, here comes the end card. Thank you for watching. Happy Easter, guys! If you guys celebrated it, happy Easter, and if you don't, happy holidays. I hope you guys had a very, very, very good weekend break. If you enjoyed this, why not subscribe? Hit on that subscribe button right now and give me a super duper lovely like. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter to see more of me doing silly stuff in life. Check out my previous videos here and stay tuned, because I make new videos every Tuesday and Fridays, or sometimes Monday. But yeah, stay minty and cherry. Bye.